الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again today. Today I'm going to make pasta. Okay, so the pasta I'm making today is this one here. Just to show you the name, paccheri. No, I mean we made all sorts of pasta, but we haven't made this particular one. Now just to show you, these are tubular ones, and just to compare the size, I mean look at that, look at the size. Compare that to the standard fusilli. I think it's called fusilli, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. So that's the paccheri. Can you see that? It's the size of a finger, very large compared to these ones. I mean the other tubular ones are similar in size as this one, but this is very, very big. You see, very, very big. Okay, so to make the paccheri pasta, so you need the actual paccheri pasta, you need your pasta sauce, you need cheese. That's if you're going to like put it under the grill at a later stage, or you could have it without the cheese, but I like it with the cheese. So let's start making the paccheri pasta. Okay, so to begin, we boil some water. That'll do for now. Okay, so we put salt into the water. And now we'll put the pasta, all of it, which is 500 grams. I think, yes, it is 500 grams. Okay, we need some more water in it. We need to put some more water. Okay, so I thought I'd show you this mango. It's a giant mango. Yeah. Let me put it. Yeah, that's the one. Giant mango. I put it on the scale, and it weighs 1160 grams. So that's 1 kg plus 160 grams. It's very, very massive, and it's still not ripe. You know, it was like picked unripe. So if that was on a tree, to be fully ripe, it would double in size, I think. Okay, so the pasta is now boiled, so I'll drain the water out. Okay, so we add a little bit of olive oil. That should be enough. Okay, so we add the pasta sauce. We use half of the jar. Okay, so this is an extra spices I'm adding, which is chili flakes and black pepper. Okay, so I now add the pasta. Give it a good mix. You see how large it's got. It's flat, but it's very, very large. Okay, so we're now going to pour the pasta into the baking tray. It's piping hot. Okay, so we pour the cheese over. I think that should be enough. Just a little bit more. So we're now going to bake it. Okay, so in it goes for baking. Okay, so while the pasta is baking, just show you some samosas, which are veg samosas and chicken kebab. I don't think we've done video on samosas and chicken kebab, so we'll do separate videos. One for the chicken kebab, as you can see, really good, really nice, and the samosas. Here I've got fresh basil. I've just cut it. It's kind of a bit black. I don't know whether this is due to the washing or I don't know. I've just cut it from the plant. Okay, so the pasta is now ready. It's baked, as you can see, golden brown. Okay, so now let's try the pasta. Bismillah. Mashallah, that's really, really good. Really, really delicious. Thank you for watching our video. Please do subscribe. Till next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.